Victor.
What?
Let's go.
What is that?
What's your nationality? Ano pong Nigeria? Where's Nigeria? Nigeria. Yes po.
Nagtatagalog ka na. Ilang years ka na dito sa Pilipinas? Not anymore. You're single now.
Yes po, I'm single. I want to have exercise to have. I have to wash because it's very important to wash your you take care of your weight plan and also your diet, plan, and also like some workout programs like that for abs workout. Oh, pwede niyo makilala kung mapapayat eh. Papayat naman. Ito sabi mo watch it. Hindi nila kinakalit na napapayat. Hindi ko makatulog ng nalaglag. Okay. Yes. Chame, you have a map? Because I keep getting lost in your eyes. What's up, people? Yes, 33 years old, the training manager ng Quezon City.
Hello, Gil.
Yeah. Hi, Bella.
Hi. Ang pangalan mo ba ay Nikki? Gil?
Pangalan mo yung chocolate.
Gil ba or Gil?
Actually, Gil.
Gil.
Thank you, Bella, for clarifying.
For Gilbert. For
Gusto nung daddy ko mag junior ako, pero ayaw naman. So, Gil lang. Actually, ganun yung nangyari ko. Kaya after college, Ken lang yung ginamit. Kasi Gil, second name ako, Kevin.
Kenneth.
Ken na yung nagagamit ko.
Ay, nung Ken na lang. Gusto mo palitan?
1 minute later.
Nagtatrabaho.
Dapat naman siguro. Ano trabaho mo?
Training manager ako sa isang kumpanya. Sabi ni Christian Barba sa DJ.
And this video shall end with a great touch. Those two people. Troy.
TV5 ko GMA daw.
Into the toilet! When you listen this,
So we help
you
restaurants
will crush your words into pieces. And no one get hurt in this video.
Pick up like
Actually, this is our album.
for me. Kasi yung
See you later in the next part 3. The part 3 video. Those two people fight once more again. Dun, 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 dun. This is our most important thing ever. So, enough with those things. Oh, mama, and these are the bad skills. Nah!
mga boys.
We'll see you later in the part 3 video.